Hey guys, so today I have my Ipsy bag for the month of April, so let's get into it. Okay, so first here is the bag for this month. It has a bunch of lemons on it, I guess. And the first product actually came in the pink bag because it was too big to fit. And these are some sheet masks, I guess. So it looks like 2 sheet masks. This is the Dr. Huang Beauty Lab. And this is the Brocolli Plumping Mask. And then the Red Fruits Brightening Mask. So I do really like sheet masks. I think they're very just like relaxing to put on. I don't think they do a whole lot, but I do like relaxing putting on sheet masks, so this ain't bad. Next thing also couldn't fit in my bag, and this is a brush from Firma Beauty. So this is the 103 brush, and it looks like a contouring brush. So it feels very nice and soft. I don't think I've tried any brushes from Firma, so I will definitely try this one out, but it's not shedding or anything so far, and it feels really nice, so we'll see about that. Okay, so the next product is from Tarte, and this is their Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. So I haven't tried this before, and it's hydrating, so that's something I like. Let's see what this card says. It says this is a brand new product loaded with jojoba and grapeseed extract to moisturize and keep your skin hydrated for 12 full hours, and coconut to smooth your skin. So definitely sounds like a primer I would like. I love hydrating primers. They're pretty much the only ones I use most of the time, so I will definitely try this one out. The next thing in here is from the Balm, and this is the TheBalmJour Creamy Lip Stain in Salut. So it's like a mauve, it looks like. I feel like I get mostly mauves in all my subscription boxes. So it's like a nude mauve, and it's more of a stain. So let me try this on. Okay, so there it is on. I think it looks really nice, just like a nice light mauve shade. And the card says that this is a stain gloss hybrid that coats lips with rich color, moisturizes them, and lasts for hours. And if you want a light stain, apply 1 coat using your finger, and then if you want more color, you layer it on like I did. So this does feel really nice on my lips and very hydrating, so I will definitely have to see how it lasts throughout the day, but I like it so far. And the last item in here is an eyeshadow. This is a single eyeshadow from the Laura Sanchez Moods palette. So I guess Laura Sanchez is a Spanish-speaking YouTuber, and she created her own brand. She has a palette called the Moods palette. I guess this is the shade that I got out of there. This is the shade Rose Gold Woman. So obviously a rose gold color. And I guess if you had Ipsy Plus, you got the full palette of this. It was also available for an add-on, but didn't see very many good reviews on it, so I didn't want to purchase. Let me try this shadow and see how I like it. Okay, so there is swatched on my finger. It definitely has like that pink with a gold shift. And there is on my hand. Definitely has that gold shift. I'm gonna try a little bit on my lid and see how that looks. Okay, so there it is. It's not the most pigmented shadow, I feel like. I feel like it's kind of sheer, but it's just like that typical pink to gold shifting shadow. There's one from Colourpop that's pretty much the exact same thing. I think it's called Come and Get It. And I really do like this color. It's just not the most unique shade ever. I definitely have shades like this, but it is very pretty. So, do like it. Might not reach for it because I already have shades like it, so I don't know. Okay, so that is all of the items that I got in my Ipsy bag this month. As always, I will be putting the total value of the bag on the screen for you guys, so you just know. Let me see what products were my favorite out of here. I feel like I'm always happy to receive brushes, so that's a win, and obviously the brushes are always full size. The Tarte primer is definitely something I would try. I've been wanting to try this actually, so that's definitely a win. And the Balm cream lip stain I think looks really pretty and it feels really nice so far, so I like that as well. And sheet masks I have 10,000 of, so it's not very special, but I'll probably use them. And then the eyeshadow, I just don't really reach for single eyeshadows all that often. Usually reach for palettes, but I do really like the packaging. It's just super pretty. I love that design. So if you did end up picking up the full-size palette, or you have Ipsy Plus and got the full-size palette, let me know how it is. I couldn't find too many reviews on it, but the ones that I did see weren't all that great. And overall, I do really like the products. I didn't get anything I don't really like. I guess just something I won't reach for just because it's a single shadow. I don't hate it though, so I feel like it was mostly a win. And I am really excited to try the base tape because I've been wanting to try that, so that's awesome. So let me know what you got in your Ipsy Glam bag this month, and I will see you in the next video.